Alrighty guys, I want you guys to meet a very special friend. You guys all closing your eyes?
Yeah.
Now, me and Sky Mom, we made him today. And he's a very lucky guy to have 3 kids like you guys as friends. So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, on the count of 3, open your eyes. 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. 1 and okay, 3.
You open?
Yeah, on 3.
Wow! This is so cool. Is that Play-Doh?
Yeah. Okay. Now, you guys ever seen it?
Leprechaun?
Maybe. I don't know.
Wait, I think it opens.
No, wait a second. You guys ever seen those videos on YouTube? Let's go behind the table. You guys ever seen those videos on YouTube called Play-Doh surprise eggs?
Oh yeah. Me and Chase always watch it.
All right. So.
You're ruining your art.
Yes, you will have to ruin the art. Oh my gosh, I think the dude, oh my gosh, he has no hair. And look at this. 3 teeth. Why don't you crack this egg open? You ready?
What is this?
All right, it's Play-Doh and fondant. I don't know if I do that. It's been sitting on styrofoam, and styrofoam's pretty toxic.
Is that titanium?
What?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know. I don't think. Well, I don't. Oh, look at his face. Oh, the poor guy.
He melted.
All right. All right. So now that the hard part is done, you got all that stuff off. You guys have to separate that.
Okay. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! It's so cool!
Did you see that?
Yeah, it's Fruit Loops!
Not Fruit Loops. Hold on, Mike. I just want to make sure. Did you even see what Lexi has?
I knew it! Well,
Mike, what are you doing? Oh my God! Oh, not on the table.
Oh, I like his marshmallows.
So guys, we have a whole bowl. We got a whole bowl of these things. See this?
Michael, I opened this. Is someone in here?
No, nobody's in there yet. We could put someone in there.
But it wouldn't be a ball.
All right, so we have a giant lucky egg. This is the luckiest surprise egg ever.
Daddy.
How is all those
Daddy.
cereals?
Where is from?
Huh?
Where is from, Fluff?
Here we go, and 3, 2, 1. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a mess. Whoa. No. No more. Oh my gosh, Mike, no more. Mike. Oh my gosh, guys, no more. Say, no more.
I'm getting sick of the marshmallows.
Oh.
All over the Skylander shelves.
No more. Oh gosh, I'm gonna be cleaning this room up for days. Oh my God. How did this turn into a food fight? Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Yay, free Cheerios!
Oh my.
Yay, free Cheerios! Yay! This is the best day of my life! Yay!
I'm speechless.
Look at the
I'm not cleaning.
You gotta help me. Oh my gosh. That got really out of control.
Hey!
What is that?
Hey, where's someone?
I can't even be mad at the kids because
Started it.
I started it. Well, sometimes I don't think. I don't think, I just do. Everything on this channel is improv. Let's check out Tough Luck, because there she is.
Some tough luck.
And there is crystal clear Tough Luck. We'll get a better look at her once she's all cleaned up. You guys, you know what I need from you guys now?
What?
we're gonna vacuum in here, but we can't vacuum these whole pieces. So stomp away. Come on, kids. Come on. Let me see your best stomp right there. Go, stomp.
Ow!
Stomp. Go, stomp. Don't step on that undead trap. Uh-oh. No, wait. Maybe stomping's not a good idea either. Oh my goodness. We are gonna need a carpet cleaner. We're about to have a Skittles carpet. All right, all stomping cease to exist. Ooh, that's a good idea. Do it, Lex. All right, back up.
Ew, it smells like a box of Lucky Charms in here.
Why would that be ill? That's a good thing. All right, hold on. Lexi's gonna do an angel.
Do you find the snake?
Yeah, found the undead snake. All right, ready, Lex? Go for it. All right, watch out, guys. Lexi's gonna go with the Lucky Charms angel. Oh, man. All right. I don't think it's gonna work. Stand up. Let's see how you did.
No, it worked.
A
little bit.
Until Michael just sat on an angel. Why would you sit on an angel? Oh, gosh. All right, we got to get some action of this vacuum cleanup. No, don't eat them on the phone.
I think I got marshmallow sick.
You got marshmallow sick? You ate too much? High five.
My name is Michael and I have a really bad Lucky Charm eating problem.
Guys, well, we had one good idea, and suddenly that turned into
a bad idea.
3 bad ideas, right? Or was it 2? How many?
3.
3? Well, we have a lot of cleanup to do. Come here, and we gotta go. Ow! None of this was kind of planned, so just got out of hand.
Wait. Did you say we have a lot of cleaning to do?
Yeah.
Or do you mean you have a lot of cleaning to do?
Peace out. Bow, 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 bow.
Fun.
Come on, Chase. Come on.
What do we used to do?
Guys, let's leave Daddy. He has time. He has to clean.
Oh, I got a good idea. Want to see my good idea? 1, 2, 3. I brought Mike in the room because I wanted to share my good idea.
What good idea?
I'll show you.
This happened to me before.
Shooting someone with air?
Yeah.
Have you ever had an upgrade?
No.
Like Lucky Charms?
Do it again!
Alright, you guys stay in here and clean up, okay? I'll see you there. What?
History it's in the making.